Well, this is going to be a different vlog. I am going to take you guys through a journey of 7 days in my life, a week in my life without washing my hair. There's trips involved, there's red carpets involved, there's meet and greets involved, award shows involved, all in these 7 days. And I recorded it all to share with you guys before I go on voice rest, which is starting tomorrow. So this is day 7. Now I'm gonna rewind and take you guys back to the beginning and show you what a week in a life with me is like without washing my hair. This thing on, testing, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think it's on. Today, we are getting ready for the Isn't It Romantic premiere starring Rebel Wilson and Priyanka Chopra. We got Drea in the house. Say hi. Radhi's in the house. She's going to be my date tonight. Very, very excited. And it is a very busy week ahead. So today, it is a Monday. Tomorrow, I fly to New York. Wednesday, I am doing a meet and greet with a brand. And then Thursday, I have his day of meetings. Back on Friday, doing a short shoot with Dior on Saturday morning. And then going to the Hollywood Beauty Awards with Dior on Sunday. It is a full week, people. So today's vlog, I am partnering with IGK to tell you guys about their dry shampoo. So it was super fun. Last week I did a shoot with them and Birdie, that's gonna be on birdie.com soon. And I learned all about their 3 different dry shampoos. There's the jet lag, the direct flight, and the first class. And we're gonna use it today for my hair look for the red carpet. I'm excited. My hair's always dirty. I'm always on like 10th day hair.
Doesn't feel too bad. I think we need a little bit of the first class.
Okay, let's do first class. This is what I learned at the shoot. You shake the product, have me go like this, and then take another section, then you put it in here. Okay, 30 seconds later, massage, massage, massage. I'm giving myself a head massage low-key. That's what I'm really trying to do. And just let it soak
Gave
in.
you so much volume.
So good.
I'm taking this with me on my trip, 100%.
Look at this volume.
Yes, yes, yes. Should I just go like this?
We're done.
We're done. As you guys know, like, I hate washing my hair. I hate doing my hair. And when you get to put a product in and just like have it be there and it styles it and like your life is easier, I'm about that life. That's why this partnership made so much sense to me. I was literally going on a flight tomorrow anyways to New York City, and it was like, you know what? My life is one big jet lag dry shampoo. So might as well. How does the hair look?
Oh, amazing.
Check out this slick vibe going on right now. Yes!
Her hair was so dirty.
She's ready! She's ready
Can
to
I do
rumble!
this on the carpet? Like, just
Woo! Work it, work it, working her dance moves. Yes!
We're gonna have the cutest photos on the dance floor. It's red carpet. OMG, it's Priyanka. Just got to the Isn't It Romantic premiere. How do you feel?
I'm so excited!
That was my awful attempt at a British accent.
Hey guys!
Hey guys.
Hey guys!
So we're about to watch this movie. And you know how I feel? I feel like I have a flight at 4 a.m. and I'm just gonna enjoy this moment.
We're on a little date and stuff.
Best life ever. It's like about 11 o'clock. Just got back from the premiere. That's a lie. Just got back from getting food after the premiere. There's a car coming at 4 a.m. So it's me, this suitcase, all this stuff. Now I'm really ready to pack. Got my socks on. Got my nightie. I feel free and liberated. New York, New York. Please don't be that cold. Thank you so much. Just got to New York. It is freezing. Do you see this? It's cold. The second I land here, my heart starts to race and it gives me this like reminder of 5 years of hustle. You hear those horns? I have dreams about those horns. Oh, look at the slush. Glad I dressed warm. Welcome to a New York City hotel. To be fair, this is a much larger one than I'm used to. All right, I see a little bit of Soho out my window. This is less anxiety filled. Every time I come to New York, I usually recruit a friend to come stay with me in the hotel because I'm just gonna be a little real with you. It gets really lonely. I just like having people around. That's just me. I thrive on it. I work stronger. I work better. I'm recruiting my friend Justine and making her come stay with me. You guys remember Justine. She's one of my closest friends and we grew up together. I remember the last time I came to New York and I was in a hotel. I had my first ever panic attack. It was crazy. Like I laid on the bed and I started shaking and I literally just started tearing up. It was weird. This city is filled with so many of my best memories and also so many of my heaviest memories, good and bad. I just think it's important to share because when you see people like jet setting across the country, I'm so blessed and grateful for it, you know, like my wildest dreams are coming true. But I also think it's important that people know that like I go through human things like everyone else, and I don't know. I don't feel like enough people that are in this world talk about things like anxiety and panic attacks. Anyways, on a less heavy note, this trip is gonna be great. Okay, thanks for being my therapy session. Goodbye. Good morning. Happy, not so snowy day in New York. That's exciting. I slept in, I canceled my morning meetings, and it felt freaking amazing. Like, I woke up at 9:30, and I'm really excited because today is the meetup. Today looks less gross than yesterday, so that gives me hope for New York. It's not snowy. I'm not as terrified to step outside, so that's good news. So I am here with my friend David Lopez here. Whoop, whoop.
Hi.
It's our friendiversary. We met at New York Fashion Week like 3 years ago, I feel. And we're getting ready for my Clinique event. David is also a fan of Jet Lag Dry Shampoo. Okay, so of the three though, like I'm using Jet Lag because it's day 2 of hair, so it's like, it's the least heavy.
Right.
But what of the 3 is your favorite?
So we have First Class, but this is my favorite one, the Jet Lag, because it's invisible. I hate like a powdery finish on the hair. None of them really have that, but this one's invisible. And it's great because you have such dark hair. I'm going to go ahead and spray this right in the roots. Even if you don't have dirty hair, this is really great.
For just like volume, right?
Yeah, for volume, for texture, for fullness. And I'm gonna start combing out your hair.
Hi, Katie. She just did my makeup. That's why I look amazing, obviously.
You always look amazing, darling.
She looks so good.
Oh.
So you see how when I curled it going the opposite way, now I have this like really awesome, like romantic kind of wave happening in the front of your face.
Wow.
And then the Jet Lag, it just gave me
that volume.
fullness.
Yes, massage.
Then it also feels really good.
Yeah, I'm just milking this for a head massage. Yes. All right, so I just got to the Clinique pop-up store, and we're about to do the meetup in like 20 minutes. I'm so excited, but you guys have to see this space first. It's really so dope. How do you feel, Milan?
I feel amazing.
Amazing. Those girls are so sweet.
No, like the most amazing girls.
We're just gonna go cry. First true Tinted meet and greet success. Usually whenever I come to New York, post like a work thing, I'll go get a dinner with somebody, then drinks, probably another drinks. It's just like the repetition of like New York, but I don't know if I'm too old or too focused or what it is, but all I wanted to do was just come back, lay here and get on my laptop and chill with my best friend. No, I don't like doing this. I don't. She hates this stuff, but that's why I love her. She doesn't care about any of this stuff, just me. It's now Thursday, and I'm a mess, and I forgot all my makeup, but luckily Glam Squad exists, and it is now 6:30 in the morning, and I'm getting ready for the day, and Jacob's here. Say hi. Thank God for that, because I have no energy to do my own makeup today. And it's also nice to get your makeup done in trips like this, because you can multitask. I'm just gonna take the Jet Lag IGK. I just want to give it some life. I love when dry shampoo doubles as dry texture. My hair's done. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I like kind of love my outfit today. I'm into the blush tones, neutral tones, and I'm stacking necklaces, and I have my Live Tinted custom earrings on and fun sunglasses. I'm kind of feeling myself today. Today was like a actual really big deal moment day for me, and I am just wrapping up. I don't think I took the moment for like a second to even like soak it in. Like, I can't wait to tell you guys more about it. You will hear about it very soon. Long story short, I'm making my dreams a reality, and it's very exciting. And I will go get dinner with one of my best friends tonight. It's Valentine's Day, but I don't care. Oh my gosh, I'm beat. My flight, you guys, was at 7 a.m. I woke up at 5:30, freaking out. I wasn't packed, and I packed everything up, somehow got to the airport by 6:10. I left at 5:40, made the flight. I slept the entire way, got in today, and it's now like 7 o'clock, and we've been working on Tinted stuff all day. I'm gonna spend the rest of the night chilling after they leave. They won't leave till probably 10. We have a lot to do. Now I just want to take a little collapse. Okay, I don't have time to. Goodbye. It is day 6. I woke up in I swear I own other clothes. This is just really comfortable. But this is day 6 hair, you guys. I mean, I'm like really impressed with it. And today my friend Daniel Martin is coming over and we are filming a collab. So I need to just like fix up my hair a little bit before we film that. And then tomorrow I'm going to like an awards ceremony with him that he's nominated for an award for. So day 6 requires some of the first class because this is the one for the deep cleaning. I've been using jet lag mainly the other days, but clearly into the dirty hair vibes. It's so funny because first class is the one that people say that was gonna leave white residue, but it's not doing that. I mean, I'm not complaining, that's a good thing. Look how handsome you are. So today we are partnering with Dior, who Daniel is the, what's the fancy title?
Brand ambassador.
Oh, okay. All right, she did it. I'm out of my home, come hither. Oops. Did you miss me?
Yeah,
That sounded very disingenuous, and you really did miss me. She did.
I did miss you.
And we are at the Henry, which is one of our favorite brunch places, but it's like 8 o'clock.
They dimmed the lights on us already.
But I'm out of the house. I'm proud. We
Yes.
did it. We did something this evening.
We're not on our couch.
Yes!
We're on
Although
another couch.
I really want to go watch that documentary.
100%.
The going out thing lasted a hot, solid second. And now, what is this called? Abducted in plain sight. Hey, I tried the going out thing, but you know what? My happy place is a fireplace, Netflix, and I'd rather do this than anything else. Okay, we are officially on day 7 of my vlog journey. Today is the Hollywood Beauty Awards, and I am wearing my hair in a low, sleek bun show because it's at the breaking point. But hey, I lasted throughout the week, so definitely using the first class today, which is obviously the most intense one, and just gonna do a really sleek, low bun. And then tomorrow, I wash my hair. Okay, yay! I'm so happy that I did this hair show. It like really worked out. It's like day 7 hair actually turned out okay. Here's my outfit. Boop, 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 boop. Top shop. And now I'm gonna go to Daniel's hotel and meet him and Vicky, who's the founder of Tatcha, and go give him hugs and wish him the best luck. I really hope he wins. He deserves it so much. The man of the hour. Boop, boop, and the beautiful woman of the hour. I don't know, just because she just looks so amazing, you know. Are you excited?
I am. I'm
got
just happy
this.
my friends are with me.
Oh, I know, I'm excited. Yay!
Manhattan makeup artist Among his celebrity clients, Her Royal Highness the Duchess of Sussex, Meghan Markle, Elizabeth Moss, Jessica Alba, Olivia Palmero, and Jessica Biel.
And the winner is...
I just got home and it was such an incredible night. You know what? Daniel won in my book because getting nominated for such an award like that is huge and the man deserved it. I went an entire week without washing my hair. Shout out to IGK for making a killer dry shampoo to get me through the week and partnering with me for this week-long vlog. Honestly, I'd like to say that wasn't a typical week in my life, but life is just getting crazier, and the crazier it gets, the more I realize I have to take care of me. So that was one week in my life that you're seeing. Now this next week, I won't be speaking. That is a week in my life, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more vlogs from me because I enjoy them oh so much. Hopefully I'll be doing more, but until then, it is voice rest time. Good night, guys.